welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. So today's video I'm doing a little bit something different with my curls, and look how it came out. Oh my god, just keep watching, y'all. This wig is from BeautyForeverHair. I will have all the details linked down below, but y'all, let's get into the actual fucking wig, okay? This wig came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and with the lace cut off. Yeah, literally all I did was take it out of the pack and put it on my head. I did not bleach it. I did pluck it a little bit, and I'll show you guys in that, like, what I did. But all I did was take it out of the pack. Look, hair net still on it. This is what the curl texture is looking like. It is a closure wig. I believe it's a 5x5 closure. But like I said, check the description because I'll have all that linked below. Okay, if you know me, you know I got a little ass head. So this wig is small head, tiny head friendly, okay? It has an adjustable band. It has 3 combs. And I love the fact that the wig is like made out of mesh or like wefted like that. Just because it's so breathable. And everybody knows in the summertime, nobody wants a hot ass wig. So even right now, like I can put my fingers inside of my wig and like I have airflow there. So I love that. I believe this is 28 inches. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. They're fresh off my head, out the pack, onto my head. Exactly what it looks like. Pre-cut, it kind of threw me a little bit off because I'm like, damn, what if they just cut it into a straight jacket line and then it looks like a wig? But they did a really good job constructing this wig. So now before I can actually glue the wig on my head, I was going to wear it glueless, but I just decided not to because my kids be pulling my wigs off and I got time. So we're going to put a little bit of even spray on this bald cap, this wig cap, to create our little ball cap method. And when I'm doing my closures, I literally only put it where the closure is going to be. And then I'm going to show you guys how I cut it off. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Eben Lace Tint Spray in the shade Medium Brown. And I'm putting that all over on the inside of the cap. And now look at it. Look at that. I didn't bleach the knots. I didn't pluck nothing. Okay? So yeah, here I am just cutting off my ball cap or my wig cap. I cut the sides like all the way through. That way I can just flip the front part back and, you know, still have it on my head. So technically it is like the balding cap method, but it's not from ear to ear. It's only from where that lace is going to be. I'm putting a little bit of makeup on it just to make sure everything blends. I'm trying to give scalp. I'm trying to give bald, okay? So like I mentioned, I was going to leave this wig glueless, but I chose not to. So I'm only cutting 1 layer of glue. Yes, 1 layer, 1 thin layer of wig glue. And I'm using the, I think, Bold Hold Active. Yeah, Bold Hold Active. And I'm just spreading that all out. Make sure it's really nice and thin and it's really spread out. Make sure that it is from the end of the lace to the other side of the lace, okay? You don't want your side laces lifting up. All right? Yeah. All right, child, I'm with the truth. Let's put her on. I am very surprised with how well this wig blended. The lace is super thin. It's super nice. So I was just like, you know what? I'm going to just leave it how it is. I was going to go on ahead and bleach it, even though I know that it came pre-plucked, pre-bleached. Like, I was going to bleach it anyway, but your girl had ran out of bleach anyway. So I was like, fuck it. I'm going to just leave it exactly how it is. And that way you guys can see exactly what it looks like out the pack. If you're a beginner or if you're looking for like an easy, low maintenance wig, definitely check out BeautyForeverHair. Okay, so I put some of that holding spray on our lace and now I'm tying it down with the wig band that they gave me. Make sure your wig band is super tight. It needs to be super tight. And just trust me, that's what's gonna melt it. The tightness is what's gonna melt it. Okay, so like I mentioned, the wig did come pre-plucked, but I have to. Like, it's something in me that just has to, like, pluck more. I don't know. It gives it that effect. And I feel like the middle part just wasn't middle parting. Like, it wasn't given enough. So, yeah, I'm doing a little bit in the front and just plucking my part out mainly. Not too much, not too much. All right, so here I'm just showing you guys how I cut or shape my wigs, my curly wigs. I like to take the hair completely like at a 90-degree angle. This is not 90, is it? Is it 45? Child, I ain't good with the angles. I'm taking it up, okay? Take it up to your ear, okay? And then I'm just cutting in a straight line. And now I'm going to show you guys exactly how I got my curls nice and juicy. Agua, okay? Agua. A spray bottle with a little bit of water in it, okay? That's it. I only use 2 products, water and wrapping foam. That's it. So I'm going to start by spraying it, not making the hair soaked, but wet, if that makes sense. The hair shouldn't be dripping. Because it takes longer to dry anyway. So yeah, I'm just raking it out, making sure the hair is like detangled. Surprisingly, even for this to be like a deep wave wig, everybody knows curly hair is gonna have like some type of like snag or anything. But like even running my fingers through it, I wasn't getting like no knots, no tangles or anything like that. So I'm like really impressed with this wig. But yeah, I'm going to use my Nairobi wrapping foam, and I'm just going to start finger coiling. That's what gives my like curly wigs the best definition, and like enhances the curls the best to me is finger coiling.
You don't show me in the special way I feel when you hold me. We don't always be together, baby. That's what you told me, and I believe it. I ain't never had nobody do me like that.
Okay, so after I was done every section, I do go ahead and scrunch the hair. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. You do not want the hair to be soaked because it will take longer. Me personally, I love the look that the finger coils give. And then once it's all dry, you can like go ahead and separate them a little bit. You know, play with it a little bit. I just like the curls that they give, okay? And I feel like even if it is a deep wave texture, finger coils are always going to give it another look. Like it's going to give it a more super defined look and show you actually what these curls could do, okay? Y'all, look at these curls. They're super defined. It's super juicy, bouncy as hell. Love, love, love finger coils, okay? I'm going to take off my wig band. I'm going to put a little bit of makeup on the lace just to blend everything, make sure there's no white cast. So now I'm going to define my part. I'm going to take some magic root spray. And this is in the color black. The wig, I think it is brown. But listen, we made it work. So yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely loved the way that it came out. Super cute for summer. Like I said, if you're a beginner, you're definitely going to want to cop one of these wigs because all you do is take it out the pack and go. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.